I come with a new website. In this website, you can invest a TRX and get a huge profit from this websites. I will give you all the information about this website. Please watch the video complete so I can understand you the all information about this web. Let's start the video. Before starting the video, I request all viewer and subscriber please like the video. If you do not subscribe my channel, please also subscribe the channel. Let's start the video. I will provide you a link in the description. You can click on it and go to the registration page of this websites. You can see that this is a refer code. It is already put it here because you click on a my refer link, and here you can see that, and it is a mobile phone number, and here you put your mobile phone number and login password and security password. Security password is very necessary because security password is very important. I already tell you, but and now I will give you explain more about security password. This is why necessary. It is required when you're trying to withdrawal from these websites. You can now that the withdrawal is very important because you're investing in this website for a withdrawal purpose and investing and earning purpose. And this is the captcha you can put here, like I put here. This is my captcha is here. It will be changed after a second and seconds, and when I refresh this page, and you can see that now is my captcha is 2115, and you can see that I have a captcha 2115, and I click on register. And after filling all these mobile phone number, login password, security password and captcha, and click on register to log in into the websites. I will log in into the websites and give you a more and more detail about these websites. I do not show my mobile phone number because it is privacy and against the rules of this website admin. I join this website and enter into the website. Here you can see that the look of this website is very beautiful, and my total balance is 5000 TRX. It is my reward balance. I join this website to get a reward TRX, and here you can see a notification portion. First I click on a notification portion to give you a notification about the websites, and I click on a notification portion. Hello everyone, the website app has been upgraded. I click on it. Hello everyone, the website app has been upgraded. Tron YTY was established in Singapore in 2013 and currently has more than 10 self-built mines and cooperative mines around the world. The total circulator of YTY created by the Tron Foundation is that, and it is expected to complete this simultaneous listing of 130 exchange products around the world before May 15, 2022. Business consulting is that number. Telegram customer service is that, and you can see a Telegram customer group is that. You can join this group to get your answer of your questions. That I click on about option. You can see tron.yty.com is headquartered in Singapore. It comes from the founding technology R&D team of Tron YTY. The development of the centralized encrypted wallet models started on the Tron network. The profit model is based on the daily calculations of cloud data collection miners in your Tron YTY.com account. The profit model of the basic account is the profit obtained by the miner from calculating the data for your deposit in the basic account. Then the system will allocate to your basic account, collect and calculate the miner working for you. Earn 5% of income every day because of the miner or cloud data computing, so your income is permanent. And Tron YTY is the first production team to develop a mining machine model. The income of wealth management product in your investment account is stable income which can be managed and controlled by the Tron YTY R&D teams. More financial product will be launched in the future to allow more users to have a better experience. The original intention of Tron YTY Test Foundation team is to jointly develop the future and create the permanent benefit for every person. Then you can see that all this information I read, you can understand this information. I will provide you a link in the description. You can check out it. And this is an event that Tron YTY team cannot prevent. Please cherish the permanent benefits of Tron YTY every day. This will be your best investment experience. This is the about us notification. I go back to the home page to get you information more and more about these websites. In the up of the website you can see a change language option, message option and a customer service option. If I click on a change language, you can see this website provide you many languages about different language to change your website in a different language. Then I click on a message option. You can see that I click on a message option. This is a blank page. The website owner send you a message and notification by this page, and I click on customer services. You can see that there are three customer services of websites: WhatsApp, Telegram, and Telegram group. And you can see that I go back to the home, and you can see that 5-6 portions and 5 to 8 portions of this website. Here you can see a recharge, withdrawal, team, partners, points, small, daily gifts, game, and active. Here I describe you a team, partners, points, small, and these portions because these two portions I describe at the end of the video. Please watch the video complete if you can understand the process of recharge and withdrawal. Then I tell you the all process clearly step by step. Here you can see a team option. I click on a team option. You can see that I have a no team because I joined this website now and to review all the portion of this websites. I go back to the home. You can see a partner of this website. The following are listed exchange where TRX can be purchased for recharging. You can see these are the partners of this website that are supporting to this website for recharging and posting of TRX in this websites. I go back to the home. This portion is clearly reviewed, and here I click on a point small. This portion is a point small, the points you gain by your refers. And I go back to the home. You can see a daily gift. This is a portion coming soon. I will review when this portion comes soon. And this is a game option. You can see that the game portion is coming soon, and I click on active person. You can see accumulated deposit 5 to 50,000 TRX, minimum daily income 5%, and this is the cumulated profit deposit. You can see that it is maximum daily income is 10% to 5%. And here you can see the all information about this website. User registered to recharge by sharing the promotion link, and the promotion wallet can get TRX reward. The promotional account will receive the top up amount 13% for the first level, 6% for the second level, and 3% for the third level. And you can see or read all this information. I go back to the home, and you can see here third option of this website is exchange portions. I go back. Here you can see that exchange entrance. This is my wallet. This is a promotional wallet. I received my referred income in my promotional wallet. Here you can see that TRX market performance. It has been listed on more than 130 exchange connected to millions of values investors around the world, and is one of the cryptocurrency with the most appreciated potential. And here you can see that this is the paragraph and tables of TRX price rate up and down. Here you can see that platform accumulated data and active user. You can see that this website has 24,069 active user at this time. And the second portion of this website is I invest. It is the method to invest and earn a money profit from this website. I go to the trade option. You can see that this is a cloud mining is working 5% daily basis. You can get a reward. If you want to active this process, you can must invest 5 to more unlimited TRX to activate this portion. I go back to the invest option. You can see that this is an invest option that is coming soon, and I click on a share option. This is your refer link. You can copy link by clicking on a copy link. You can copy link and share to your friends who invest in these websites. You can get automatically profit and TRX in this website. You can withdraw this TRX automatically. And here I go to the last portion of this website is mine, and you can see two important processes: deposit and withdrawal. I will express, and you can see TRX deposit quantity 0 TRX, recharge 5 TRX to activate the account, and accumulated recharge 500 TRX, can withdraw money has a gift account. You can see a content as option my team and submit a ticket. You can see a submit ticket. You can submit a ticket of your profit list and other portions, and you can see your transaction record, station news. I click on a station news and go back to the ticket, and you can see that I click on a station news. And investment income, I already described this, but I describe it has Tron YTY come has a powerful computing power based on Tron, so that every Tron YTY user can realize the power of advantages of investment income, promotions, commission, daily settlement, and real-time withdrawal. Once you invest in TRX, you will get more than 5% daily income withdrawal every day for your life. We will always run it. Recommendation level: when you recommended a first level downline downline deposit, you can get a 13% commission. When you recommended a second downline deposit, you can get a 6% commission. And it is this more parts, and you can read all this information. All user invite 10 user who have recharged more than 200 trx content me. After completion you will get 100 trx added reward. Come on, this event is permanent valid. And you can see all these invite portions. I go back to will express you how to deposit and how to withdraw from these websites. Let first I will provide you a white paper of this website. You can check out if you investing in this websites. If you want to invest in this website, you can click on a deposit option. I click on a deposit option. You can see that there is a two portion. There are two methods of investment: recharge and transfer to the basic account and receive the income according to Singapore and time zone. And when the second portion is when the recharge is transferred into the investment account, you can receive the income according to different cycles and return the principal and income when due. And if you want to invest in this website, you can click on a basic account. I click on a basic account. You can see that the web is loading and there is a copy link option. You can click on a copy link. I copy this link, and please do not recharge other non-tier exist. It will be recorded about 5 to 10 minutes after charging. If it has not arrived for a long time, please refresh this page. I copy this link and send him a TRX of 20 as a demo from my trust wallet account. You can send him all these sporting wallets. I will already tell you. Here you can see that I sent him a 20 TRX as a demo, and I go back to my website to click on a complete recharged, and I click on a recharge completed. You can see application submitted. I wait 5 to 10 minutes and refresh the page to check my income added in my wallet or not. I will stop the video when my amount added. I will resume the video again. Here you can see that I received a 20 TRX in my account. I go to mine option, and you can see that I deposit TRX, deposit quantity is 20 TRX. Let I will going to describe you how to withdraw from this website. First, you please like the video and channel subscribe. I click on a withdrawal portion. You can see that my daily limit is 1 TRX. You can increase your daily limit by investing more and more TRX in these websites. And here you can put your address first time, and here how you copy from your address. I go to in my wallet of TRX and other wallet, trust wallet. I click on a trust wallet and click on a TRX and click on a receive portions and copy this address to paste the websites. I go to the website portion, and here you can see a withdrawal address. I paste here a withdrawal address, and withdrawal limit is my dat. You can see that I clear my number, and here I put my withdrawal limit. My withdrawal limit is 1 TRX and click on a submit. Here you can see that successfully I submitted. You can see that I receive a 1 TRX from the websites. I receive a notification about 1 to 2 minutes. I wait for a notification. First I check you my total TRX in my account. You can see that I have a 372 TRX in my account, and I go back to the trust wallet account and refresh it to check you my TRX receive or not. Now you can see that I receive a 1 TRX from a website. Now his my TRX is 373.14 TRX. I want to say something at the end. Please like the video and channel subscribe. Take care. Goodbye.